Hello friends, today we're gonna talk about front end problems. This is a 2011 Dodge Ram 3500, heavy duty. It's got a turbo diesel engine, and the customer brought the car because his tires in the front were wearing uneven. What do I mean with that? Come here. See, they rotated the tires, the fronts to the back, so these tires were actually in the front. But I want to show you, see how the tire here is really thin, and how here it was like wearing in the outside really fast, and the inside it looks like brand new. See the difference? All right friends, now we got the car in the air. Things you want to check: first, make a visual inspection. You got outer tie rods, outer tie rod ends. You got lower ball joint. You got upper ball joint up here, upper control arm, a sway bar, and in this side also. As you can see in this side, see how this tie rod end looks. See now, just by looking at it, you can kind of get to an early conclusion, you know, that there is something going on here. So next thing you want to do, you want to jack the car up in the air, the front tires, you see they're in the air right now, and then shake the tires. Let's do that. All right friends, now it takes two people, because one is going to shake the tire in the 3 and 9 o'clock position like this, and let's see what happens. See how that's the outer tie rod, okay? Now you want to go in the 12 and 6 position, up and down. You can see the movement? Okay, that's gonna be a wheel bearing. So we got in this side, we got wheel bearing and tie rod end issues in this side. Okay, in this side it's not that bad, but actually you can feel it. You can feel how the tie rod, there is movement in the tie rod. It's not that much, but this car is so heavy that little movement that you see there, when the car is sitting in the ground, it just multiplies, you know, because of so much weight. Now we're gonna go 12 and 6. Okay, now this is tight, see? Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you some way, and please give us some like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.